Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to bulk group contacts in Mailchimp. This is a really efficient way to organize your subscribers into specific segments, making it much easier to send targeted campaigns and manage your audience effectively. Let's jump right into it. First, open a web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign In button and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct login details associated with the account where your contacts are stored. After signing in, you'll need to navigate to the audience you want to manage. Look over to the left navigation panel and click on the audience option. This will expand a menu showing all your available audiences. Select the specific audience that contains the contacts you want to group together. Now comes the important part, selecting your contacts. You'll see a list of all your subscribers, and next to each contact name is a checkbox. Click the checkbox beside each contact you want to include in your bulk group. If you have a large list and want to filter specific contacts first, use the filter function to narrow down your selection. This makes it much easier to determine exactly which contacts you want to group. Alternatively, if you want to select all visible contacts at once, simply click the checkbox in the header row at the top of the list. This is a huge time saver when you're working with larger audiences. Once you've selected all the contacts in bulk that you want to group, look at the top side menu. You'll see an option labeled Group Contacts. Click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll now be prompted to the group customization screen. This is where you have full control over how you organize these contacts. From here, you can select which group and subgroup you want to bulk add these contacts to. This grouping feature is incredibly useful for segmenting your audience based on interests, behavior, or any other criteria you've set up in your Mailchimp account. After you've made your selections and you're happy with the grouping structure, click Apply. This will instantly assign all your selected contacts to the chosen group and subgroup, saving you the hassle of doing it one by one. And there you have it. You've successfully grouped multiple contacts in Mailchimp all at once, making your audience management much more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.